Hi beauties, so today I'm going to create this makeup look using only Sugar Cosmetics products, and it is not a sponsored video. I shall talk you through the reviews while demonstrating, and if you are interested, so keep on watching. First off, I'm using this illuminating moisturizer. It adds a beautiful glow to the face and also hydrates a little. If you have oily skin, this will be enough and you can skip your moisturizing cream. If your skin is on the dry side, you can apply a moisturizing cream beneath this. There are no big chunks of glitter in this product and it gives a glow from within kind of a look. I love this product. It comes so close to the strobe cream from MAC, but this one is less lasting than the MAC one. Next up I have this primer, and this one comes in a stick form. I only use it on the areas where there is a lot of texture, and this one does a great job in blurring out the pores and evening the skin texture, and it sets a great base for the foundation application. Coming to the foundation, this one is a stick foundation with a good quality blending brush on the other side. It is easy to blend, nicely pigmented and a creamy formula, and the coverage is also on medium to the full side, so this will easily hide away any kind of pigmentation and little blemishes that you have without using a concealer. This particular shade 17 RAF is a little yellow for me. It is not my perfect shade, but I try to make it work somehow. Although it is a buildable foundation, you don't want to build it up a lot because that might result into a cakey face. Coming to the blending brush, the brush is really soft and dense and it blends the foundation so quickly. This foundation is great for dry skin types and it is also available in 22 shades. I also use the same foundation as a concealer under my eyes. It has a nice coverage, so it works well as a concealer too. Now talking about one of my favorite product from the brand is the contour stick. This is in the shade Fawn First. It is super blendable, perfect shade for most Indian skin tones with light to medium skin color. Easy to use in a stick format, will easily last you for years. Highly recommend if you are looking for a cream contour, very similar to the Wet n Wild contour stick. Moving on, we have Coral Climax. It is a cream blush stick. I absolutely love this shade. It is a peachy shade, so if you are tired of pink and mauves on your cheek, try this shade and it would look good on all shades of skin. Again, easily blendable, buildable, nicely pigmented, and two other shade options are also available. This one is not very long lasting, but it will stay on for 4 to 5 hours easily. Setting the base is very important for a long lasting and transfer proof makeup application. So this translucent powder does a great job at that. It comes in a compact and sturdy packaging with a mirror that makes it super travel friendly for touch-ups. It instantly mattifies the skin and has no fragrance at all. Now I'm just prepping the eyelids with the foundation and setting it with the translucent powder to make it look even for the eye makeup. Moving forward, we have Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in Fantasy. It has nice mauvey shades. The eyeshadows are of good quality, nicely pigmented and easily blendable. You get 8 shades for ₹1199, which is a good price considering the quality you get. There is also a small applicator brush that comes in the palette. You can create many looks starting from everyday looks to glam looks, making it a versatile palette. And the matte shades are my favorite. I like to use the shimmery shades with my fingers, always for a better payoff. Super important thing to finish off the eyes is the mascara. This is the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara. I love how this one separates each lash, gives volume to the lashes, and is truly a clump-free formula. It does not give big volume like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but it is a decent mascara. There are better mascaras available out there for a lesser price than this one, so you might want to check those out. Coming to the super famous Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, it is actually a one coat wonder. It sticks to the lips and stays put for a really long time, easily for 6 to 7 hours without eating excessively oily Indian food. If you eat oily food, it might start getting smudged. There is a big shade range of 52 shades, so you will definitely find the shade you are looking for. The finish is supremely matte and the packaging is chic glass tube bottle, and the applicator is really nice and it helps get proper defined lip look. Lastly, we have this mini highlighter. It is a champagne kind of a color, super blendable powder formula, can be worn with makeup, without makeup, and it looks amazing. The only con that I can find in this one is that it can highlight the texture. So if you have a lot of uneven skin texture, you might want to stay away from this one. However, I love this one as it looks great in pictures and gives such a nice glowy look. It retails for $3.99, which is very affordable and is a good size to carry around. Comes in 4 different shades for all skin tones. So that was a quick review for each product from Sugar. Let me know in the comments which other brand you want me to try or which other product from Sugar you want me to try, and I shall do that. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. That was it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.